so beautiful. I give my flesh for yours. I sacrifice everything. You are my door to a new beginning. A lucky charm, potato pie, so sweet you make me cry.
So stuff like this, when we talk about being in nature, stuff like this is very, very good. You can, take something like this that's fallen on the ground and, take it home or whatnot. I mean, there's plenty of, sticks. There's all type of stuff out here that you can use for your altars. I figured when I came out here, it would be good for me to bring Wicca Made Easy by Phyllis Curott. I talked to you guys about this in our class. So in chapter 5 of Wicca Made Easy, there is a nature chapter, and it just basically teaches you how to be out in nature, listen to sounds, how to practice grounding, how to breathe and stuff like that. These are practices that basically can help you stay tapped in. So for this one, the grounding technique that she teaches, I'm gonna read this to you guys. So let's look at the element earth with grounding. The practice of running energy from Mother Earth through your body and back into Mother Earth. It's one of the most powerful techniques, unique Wiccan techniques, connecting you to Mother Earth and her divine life force that energizes, nourishes, and heals all life. So with these, she actually tells you that you may want to record the following text so you can listen to it as you practice. Grounding can be indoors, but for maximum benefit, you should work outside, seated directly on Mother Earth with your back against a tree. Take an offering such as birdseed. So let's see how it goes. Find a tree that you feel drawn to, where you can sit without being disturbed. Ask the tree for its help. The response may come with a sign, like the rustling of leaves or a bird singing, or simply a feeling of joy and acceptance. Acknowledge and thank it. Sit down with your back against the trunk and close your eyes. Breathe, and when you feel yourself relaxed and peaceful, your awareness open and expanded, bring your attention to the life force coursing through the tree. Feel the power, energy, and vitality giving the tree life. Sit up straight and feel your back becoming strong and solid like the tree's trunk. Ask the tree to teach you what it's like to be a tree rooted in Mother Earth. Exhale and feel yourself sending roots from the base of your spine down into Mother Earth beneath you. At first, you may need to imagine this, but very quickly, you'll feel the sensation of your roots growing, pushing downward, connecting you to Mother Earth. Feel her beneath you, surrounding your roots, embracing them and holding them with love. Feel her accepting you with love and joy. Exhale and feel your roots descending, expanding, stretching, reaching into the moist and nourished Mother Earth. Feel your roots becoming thinner and finer, like thousands of tiny hairs. And one of her most precious children, the tree who is teaching you how to be grounded and is immortal, shamanic guide connecting you to this world with the spirit world.